Hey there, welcome to this Metricome Explainer. Let's rethink facility hygiene, from the spray bottle to the drain.
Does your facility smell strongly of fragrance?
Well, it might actually be toxic rather than truly clean. We usually assume a harsh chemical smell means power. Actually, it just guarantees higher exposure to volatile chemicals.
Now, here's a crucial question. After you wipe down a surface, where exactly do those chemicals go?
Those residues flow straight down the drain, creating toxic runoff that severely damages wastewater systems and aquatic life. So, we need to redefine green. It's not some weak alternative, but a highly controlled, safer chemical solution. Look for products verified by credible third-party systems, like EPA Safer Choice, to ensure you're getting safer ingredients. It also means using the exact right tool for the task. Not every single surface needs heavy disinfection. Let's jump into our practical 7-step Metricome roadmap to help your facility easily transition to safer cleaning products. First, inventory your current chemicals, review their safety data sheets, and toss out those high-risk, heavily fragranced products. Next up, select safer alternatives, standardize by area, train your workers practically, and audit everything monthly to improve. Controlling dilution is totally critical. Poor mixing causes strong fumes and literally dumps excess toxic chemicals into wastewater. Never mix chemicals. Seriously, combining products like bleach and ammonia creates highly toxic, dangerous gas exposures. To manage this green transition effectively, measure your performance. Always aim for a 100% SDS availability rate. Remember, the future of cleaning isn't the strongest chemical. A burning smell absolutely isn't proof of good hygiene. So ask yourself, is your facility truly clean and protecting the environment, or just completely chemically overloaded?